Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie with Vintage Freak 32, and today we are going to make over these silver, they're tarnished, these silver kind of tray platters, and we are going to turn them into something a little bit more fun by using some IOD transfer. So this one I've done already. I had to test the craft before I go ahead and video it or record it. So these were left over from an estate sale, and these are by Wellback Medford. I'll put the name up on the screen here. They've been sitting around. They were actually stacked inside of each other. I'm going to give this one a light wipe. It was under the other plate, so it wasn't as dirty as the other one that I already did. And we're going to use these IOD Lover of Flowers. These are IOD transfers, and this pack is the Lover of Flowers, and I pulled these daisies. And then I wanted something else to go with it, and I couldn't find what I wanted in that pack, so I pulled out another one. These are the big, huge pages, the Millets pages, and I really love these. And but they're so unique and eclectic, but there's pages of all different stuff. So I picked this orange and yellow butterfly from the Millets pages, and I'll link these transfer booklets in the description box below. But this is like a super quick, easy way to kind of upcycle something, upcycle a tray, a glass, what have you, by using these IOD transfers. So I'm just going to place them where I think I want them, and then they're super simple and easy to use. So you pull off the white backing, and then you basically have a very light, tacky sticker. And you can place it where you'd like, and then it's usually, as long as you don't push down too hard, you should be able to remove it and move it around, as you can see that I'm doing here, till you have it where you want it. And then once you do have it, you press down with some pressure, and every pack comes with these rubbing sticks, and you are going to literally rub, and you're going to transfer your item onto here. I do this called the waterfall method, where you pull up the transfer paper away from your image, and then I take it, once it's all the way off, I flip it over and I rub over the whole transfer to make sure everything is down. So to distress, and you do have to seal these IOD transfers, I like to use an antiquing wax. This is a dark antiquing wax. It's by Folk Art. I will link it below, but you do have to seal your transfers in something. It can be clear, it could be Mod Podge, it could be a clear wax. It doesn't have to be a dark wax. But to add to the already tarnished silver patina, I was going to definitely use a dark wax. So I rub that on, and then I let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I just wipe it back with a paper towel. Super, super simple. I let the wax sit in all the little grooves and details on the perimeter of that platter. And now this has become a cute little like catch-all tray. Put your jewelry in it, throw your keys in it by the door, hang it on the wall. It's just become a fun little piece of art, and now it's not going to be thrown to the wayside. So I really love how these turned out. They're very like cottagecore, primitive, farmhouse, whatever you want. And this is just a friendly reminder that if you like what you see here, don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. And as always, all of these, or both of these I should say, are available in my Etsy store for purchase. All of my crafts I pretty much have available in my Etsy shop, so please be sure to check it out. The link is in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.